Imagine turning an idea into a real mobile app just by explaining it in plain English. No coding, no design tools, no switching between platforms. Today, I'm introducing Manus 1.6 Max, and this release takes AI creation to a completely new level. This isn't just a version update, it's a new way of building. What's new in Manus 1.6 Max? Manus 1.6 is built around three core breakthroughs: Max Intelligence Mode, Interactive Design View, End-to-End Mobile App Creation. Let's walk through them one by one. Max Mode: smarter, deeper, stronger. Before starting any task, you'll notice a new option at the top, the Engine Selector. You can now choose between Light Standard. At Max, I'm selecting Max because this mode is designed for complex reasoning. Long workflows, high accuracy results, Max delivers. Better task completion, fewer interruptions, around 30% more persistence on heavy tasks. Max Demo Task. Here's a task I'll give it. Analyze the fitness mobile app market, identify top competitors, compare monetization models, and generate a structured comparison table with insights. With Max enabled, Manus doesn't rush. It plans, researches, organizes, and completes the task in one smooth flow. This makes Max ideal for market analysis, strategy planning, advanced spreadsheets, serious business work. I can convert it into website in just a few seconds. Here you can see the results. Here is the power of Manus 1.6 Max. Now let's move to the highlight of Manus 1.6. This time, I'm not designing screens. I'm creating a fully functional Android app. New app prompt. I type, build an Android wellness app that includes a daily mood tracker, weekly summary screen, reminder notifications, and a simple onboarding flow. Clean UI, calming colors. I hit generate. Behind the scenes, Manus uses its upgraded system to design each screen, create navigation logic, assemble app functionality, prepare a runnable mobile build. Important note: mobile app creation currently supports Android iOS support, is arriving soon. Live AP on phone. Once the build finishes, Manus provides a live preview. I open Expo Go on my Android phone, scan the code, and the app launches instantly. This is a real app running on a real device, created entirely from one prompt. This is a game changer for startup founders, solo creators, product teams, anyone without coding skills. Next, let's look at Design View, another major upgrade in 1.6. Instead of regenerating designs, Manus now gives you a click-to-edit canvas. After it's generated, I open Design View. Now watch this. What Design View can do: click directly on text, rewrite it instantly, select a button, change its label, edit parts of the image without affecting the rest, make small adjustments without starting over. This means faster iterations, more control, no wasted generations. Design View turns Manus into a true design workspace, not just an AI generator. Final summary. So here's what makes Manus 1.6 Max special. Max mode for deeper, more reliable AI output. Real Android app creation, from idea to phone. Design View for precise, interactive editing, all powered by an upgraded intelligent engine. If this video helped you, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more AI content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.